Hello everyone, we are very happy to be here in SNEC 2026 with one of my personal dear friends, Joey Zing. Joey, I'm very happy to have you.
My pleasure.
Suntech. We have been hearing a lot of news about Suntech in the last few years, a lot of new integrations, relationships, product, and we are extremely happy to talk to you in this interview. Can you tell us a little bit for us to understand what is happening between Suntech and HY Solar so we understand the relationship?
First of all, we all know that Suntech brand is like a 25 years brand on the PV module. And for HY Group, which is our new parent company, they actually fully vertically industry supply chain manufacturer from the industrial silicon, polysilicon, ingot, wafer, and the solar cell. So it's a perfect match. Right now, HY Solar is our group, like let's say parent company. That is the new structure. But this new structure will for sure bring Suntech a full value added things, which is a upstream material, and we provide the module like long reliability PV module. This is a very perfect match.
So the module will remain under Suntech's name.
Course,
the brand
of course.
Is going to remain.
And also all the quality control, everything, all the system control is all same as before.
Okay. This is very important because Suntech has been in the market for quite a while. And it's important to build on the success that has happened. And speaking about the future, now we have seen that this year there is a lot of announcements about new innovations and new technology. What is Suntech has for us?
It's a good question. Actually, we all know Suntech study on the PV module since 25 years ago. We actually truly focus on how to produce a module high reliability. But now today it's not only module reliability, but also today about a technology on the solar cell innovation. Right now for this year, we already announced a new quarter cut technology product, which is let's say optimize the current on the solar cell, and which can further improve the temperature coefficient. Okay, from previous 2.9, today it's like 2.6. And also the energy degradations are also further improved. If you're looking at the whole lifespan of the 30 years, we ate at least 5% or 6% extra yield. So I would say by this new technology, we will bring more value to our customer. So this is some new technology we bring today.
And I think these advancements are very important in the MENA region because we have all the high temperature, we have the humidity, and we have the lowest tariff prices in the world, maybe 1 cent, everybody wants to.
And also storage system also lowers the cost as well.
Well, speaking about storage, is there any plans for Suntech to go into ESS as well?
In future? We actually, firstly, in future, we're looking at it's a confirmed trend, which is only PV modules no longer to be the long-term thinking things. The people looking at the resilience or energy security. So PV plus storage will be the future. And right now the storage already become Suntech new strategy. It's a corporate strategy. We already have our own storage system from the residential market, C&I market, and the big utility one. We already have this product range.
That's brilliant. So people will be able to have modules that generate from Suntech. Full ESS systems that convert, store from Suntech as well. So it will be a full integration for the whole.
One interface, all in one, we provide the whole warranty for the full system.
Brilliant. You think this product, is it available already in the Middle East?
It's already. We actually already launched some products, especially in the early stage, we are focused on the C&I market. Because now I think the people badly need some security on the energy and the resilience on the power supply. So we try to firstly start from this part. Right now we're already promoting this product in Middle East.
That's brilliant. We look forward for a lot of more success. Just for everyone to know, Suntech is the module I bought in my first days being a professional in the solar industry. And I remember it was 250 watts. I think price was around 70 cents.
Super expensive.
So a long time you have been in the region. I remember meeting you and meeting Kyle 15 years ago in Amman. Now, our region, Middle East and Africa, is going into a new phase, a new era. Expansion is crazy. I have read a report that Saudi Arabia tripled their capacity last year from 4 gigawatt to 12 gigawatts installed capacity. So how do you look at our region and the vision for the growth, and how do you feel Suntech can contribute to that?
Okay. Maybe Suntech, let's say, since over 15 years ago, we actually supplied the first project. That was in Master City. That was 10 megawatts. And then, after that, several years ago, we supplied PV2, which is our DAFRA. 2.2 giga, we supply some of the parts of that project. Before, Suntech was mainly focused on the big solar farm. But now today, we actually, in recently 1 or 2 years, we already start our own distributor sales channel and small size, medium size EPC partner. So right now from this year, we actually are already almost since Q1 this year, we already tripled our last year delivery for the Middle East market. It's mainly like irrigation for the renewable, for the solar irrigation and the CNI market and also distributor market. We already start very well. So for Middle East market is already our strategic key market. We're looking at not only the big solar farm for sure in one arm, we will keep going on the big utility IPP project. Another arm will focus on the CNI market and the distributor market. We will keep going on this direction.
And you know, I have also been talking, maybe because our region is not very stable, that makes solar energy more important.
Yes.
Now you have solar and energy storage. That means you are a perfect solution provider for the challenges in the region.
Yes.
And we have noticed, honestly, I'm also close to Ahmed, and we have noticed that there is very good growth and expansion for Suntech in the region. What do you think is driving this momentum?
I think one thing is still the people already no longer consider. If you're looking back many years ago, let's say people consider PV, it's only a kind of a green concept, like a attitude to the world, to the earth. But today, renewable energy no longer a kind of only a concept or ESG topic. It's already like I would say energy security. We supply the product let's say reliability and sustainable. That is already changed the concept. So we believe Middle East, firstly, in your original your demand, annual demand is increased. I mean the energy electricity demand is increased. Secondly, because right now the AIDC concept is very hot, and it's already put into the implementation in a lot of countries like UAE or Saudi. So I'm sure, you know, for the long-term thinking, AIDC plus EV plus storage is going to be one scenario. Another one would be for sure for this like a CNI, standard CNI market and normal IPP market. So for sure this market is perfect, and we consider this market as our key market in the future.
We are very happy to hear that. Let's talk a little bit about the future. Since you have been there for a very long time in the region, you know the region very well. What's your aspiration? What's your vision? What's your roadmap regarding the Middle East?
Yeah. Firstly, on the module level, this is also for sure is our core business. On the PV module, we are trying to always develop the module to be suitable for the special, like super high temperature or high humidity environment. Try to make the product well suit this region. So that's why our quarter cut technology, temperature coefficient, everything is very suitable for this application. And at the same time, we're also looking at some, let's say, for example, EV plus storage full solution to our customer. Because in nowadays, a lot of country or a lot of our region, for example, before they suffer some war or some unstable power supply, we try to supply our partner not only the module and make the customer waste the time to build up and deliver. We try to deliver the whole solution to our customer. And whenever they need any support, our local team can give the service directly, because we have the customer over 25 years in the region. So they trust us. So we supply from the product module only. We're going to supply to extend it to PV plus the solution altogether, storage altogether. So this is what we're going to do. Yeah.
You know, Joey, we are very happy to hear about how much attention you are giving our region. We are really happy. Thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you for your time.
Pleasure. Always great to see you. And we look forward to meeting Joey in more interviews in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.